Alrighty guys, we're here at the top floor of the government parking garage. And there's the two foreign guys over there. But this elevator over here has received a mod. Look at how low that button is. It was a Dover mod. Oh, this is Dover. Got modded. Yep, it's lit. It's hydraulic too. That's why it's taking forever. Here it is. See what it looks like now. Yep, it's a Schindler mod. Oh no, not this one. So, look at his buttons. Here's the basement. Here we are.
Hello. Hey, what's going on? We're in Colorado Springs. Now we're in Colorado Springs right now. We went up Pike Peak this morning. Drove up there. That was great. You ever been up there? Yeah. Yeah, we drove it. I was a little worried about my car making it, but it made it fine. And so we're filming an elevator right now in a parking garage. Jay is focused on his video at the moment. What are you doing? Yeah. That's great.
Douglas Barn Works.
Yeah, we stayed in Lincoln, Nebraska the first night, Colorado Springs last night, headed to Grand Junction, Colorado today. So
Nice cab.
we leave in Colorado Springs here in a couple hours. Yeah. But much to Jay's dismay, I'm not stopping in Denver.
There's that lovely to be. This cool building, and I guess that will be it for me.